Can you believe this? This boy traded his iPhone 20 for this rotten piece of wood for an art crafting. His friends and family thinks he's crazy, but after the finished product, everyone was surprised. A billionaire offered to buy his artwork for $100,000. He made his first $1,000 from this rotten piece of wood. Let's watch how he turned this piece of wood into $100,000 worth of artwork. Although this video is few minutes long, but it takes this boy thousands of hours to complete this artwork. If you are to rate this artwork out of 100, how many scores will you give? Comment down below. Please support us. This is the driving force behind our creation. Thanks, and see you in the next video.